Hello, in this video we're gonna check performance of a charger that comes with a POCO M5S. And we can do this by connecting the charger onto the custom smart socket, then to the phone, and it should tell you and show you the exact statistics on this phone right here. So the phone is connected, started charging, and now we need to wait about 30 to 40 seconds, even 1 minute, till all of the statistics here are stable. So I think the statistics are stabilized now and you can see them like this. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.